Hey guys, welcome back. And obviously you know why I'm here. This is my third video and we're doing another gift guide. This one is a little bit weird. I'm just telling you right now, this was Eric's orders, not mine. This gift guide is going to be $200 and over. Basically, the gifts on here I think are definitely worth the money if you're willing to spend over $200 for a gift. So the first gift that I have on here is a Ring Spotlight camera with the Echo Dot. This I love because it's an at-home security system. It connects with Alexa. So if you are somewhere and someone breaks into your house or tries to break into your house, you have this camera to see everything, and I think everyone should be safe, especially around the holidays. This gift is on Amazon for $199 right now. I know this is not over $200, I get it, but it's pretty close. It's like $1 there. The next gift I have on here is if you know someone who is trying just to pretty much start out as a photographer. This is a Canon PowerShot SX530 HS camera with a 32GB deluxe accessory kit. So basically it's a really good starter kit for any photographer that want to start out. This gift is on Amazon for $269. The next gift that I have on here is a 43-inch 4K TV. I think this is perfect for pretty much any living room if you have a bedroom at home and you want a TV in there. It also connects with the Fire Stick if you have one, so that's pretty cool too. The 4K television is on Amazon for $299.99. Not bad for a 4K television, I would say. Okay, this next gift, you're probably going to smack me for, but the only reason I put it on here is because I think this gift is definitely worth it, and Eric personally has one of these on his own. It's a Xeon Crane 2. So basically, it's kind of like a tripod, but you hold it in your hand and it keeps your camera level without the shaking. So if you're doing any like shots for weddings, for birthday parties, really cinematic shots, this is really good for that. It's not just good for production, it's good for post-production. It's amazing. It's totally worth it if you're a videographer, I would say. The Xeon Crane 2 is on Amazon for $649. Yes, I know it's expensive, but if you're a really dedicated videographer, it's totally worth it. The next gift that's on the list is a 3D printer, and it's so cool. Eric has one of these in the office and it's absolutely amazing. He's made a pen holder cup out of one. He made me actually a headphone mount for me to have under my desk, and 3D printers are just cool to play around with, you know? So this 3D printer specifically is on Amazon for $599. This next gift I absolutely love, and my mom is getting this for Christmas, so please do not tell her. It's an iRobot Roomba. Basically, it's a vacuum. So Roomba basically has an app and it connects to your vacuum so you can tell it when to clean. The iRobot Roomba is on Amazon for $279 and totally worth it. This next gift on my list I probably need for myself because I'm really good at losing things. This is a Smart Safe. It's really cool because you have fingerprint ID. This is really good if you have really important documents, and say if you're like hiding money under your bed, this is probably a good place to put it. So the Smart Safe is on Amazon for $398.74. This next gift that I have on here is a hoverboard, and I think this is pretty awesome because it has bigger tires and it has really good tread, so if you go say on the concrete with it, I think you're gonna be pretty okay. So the hoverboard has Bluetooth connectivity and it has a long battery life, which is really awesome, and it looks very sturdy. The hoverboard is on Amazon for $213. This next gift I think is pretty awesome. Trevor has one of his own and he showed me it the other day and I absolutely fell in love with it. I love it. It is the Vector Robot. He's really cool. He has a personality of his own and he can tell you the weather, and he has this little cube that he can play with. He can pick it up, he can turn it over, it's really cool. He'll know when he has to charge, or you can tell him to go on his charger. And also you can pet him because he has sensors on the top of his back that lets him know that you're petting him. He also has an app, so you can check all of his stats, everything like that. If anyone out there wants to buy me a gift, please, 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 please please buy me a Vector because I want to have a pet so bad and I can't have a pet, so you know, the pet robot makes up for it. The Vector robot is on Amazon for $199.99. It's totally worth it. I think it's worth it. Please buy me a Vector. Buy anyone a Vector. He's amazing. I love him. All right, guys, so that was my gift guide for 200 and over, which is, I still think, a pretty weird gift guide. So let me know what you guys thought of my gift guides. I had so much fun doing this. I loved it. So let me know what you thought in the comments. If you liked this video, press the thumbs up. If you didn't like it, you know, press the thumbs up, basically. So guys, we'll see you in the next one. Bye. Did Eric literally just buy a pancake maker? Because he just texted both of us. That's funny. Hey, at least we don't have to go to IHOP. We can make our own pancakes.